Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.42 from page number 71 of structure of atom, right? So let's read this statement. An element with mass number 81 contains 31.7% more neutrons as compared to protons. Assign the atomic symbol. Okay, so there is an element whose mass number is 81 and it is having 31.7% more neutrons than the protons, right? And you have to tell about the atomic symbol of this element, right? So for this, we'll find the number of neutrons and number of protons, right? So we can find it by the relation of mass number, right? So you can write over here mass number equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons, right? So we are having mass number 81, right? So you can write the given values over here. So mass number is 81, right? Now I'll assume that this element is X. So you can write over here, let the element, I am assuming this element as X, right? So this element is X, right? Now let's see our conditions. First, they are saying these neutrons are 31.7% more than protons, right? So first of all, I'll assume that let the number of protons equal to small x, right? Now number of neutrons will be 31.7% more. That means, first of all, I'll mention the number of protons plus 31.7% more than this x value. So 31.7% of x, right? Now let's solve. X plus 31.7. I'll remove this percentage sign and divide this value with 100 into x. So it will be x plus 31.7 by 100x, right? I'm not having anything in the denominator of x, so I'll assume 1 over here. I'll take the LCM over here. So 1 into 100, it will be 100. So 100 divided by 1, it will be 100. 100 into x, 100 x plus 100 divided by 100, 1 into 31.7x, it will be 31.7x, right? So the value will be 100x plus 31.7x, it will be 131.7x divided by 100. Let's see our relation. So mass number equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Now mass number is 81 and number of protons we are assuming x plus number of neutrons, these are 131.7 by 100 x, right? Let's rearrange this value. So it will be x plus 131.7 divided by 100. It will be 1.317 x, right? Equal to 81. So x plus 1.317 x, it will be 2.317 x. So 2.317 x equal to 81. So let's find the value of x. It will be 81 divided by 2.317. So when you'll divide 81 with 2.317, your answer will be 34.96. You can round up this value. So here I am having 9, that is more than 5. So what I'll do, I'll simply increase this 4 by 1. So it will be approximately 35. Now the value of x is 35. So we assumed that number of protons equal to x and the value of x is 35. 5. Now we know that number of protons is also equal to the atomic number of the element, right? So if number of protons are equal to the value of atomic number, that means atomic number of this element is 35. Atomic number 35 is of bromine. So the element is bromine 35, its atomic number, and 81 its mass number.